Welcome back for another Polygon Matic price prediction analysis video, and in this video I will be giving you areas that Matic needs to continue holding above in the next coming hours, give you my pullback target areas, and also share out my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And at the time of this recording, Matic is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. We have also lost a significant area of support at around the $0.784 mark, which is now acting as a resistance for us to continue gearing up. And we are now seeing a bit of a pullback into an area that I have been giving you in my past videos that I have highlighted on the chart using this retarget area. And to just give you a recap of what has been happening over the past few weeks, you can see that after seeing our low down here on the 11th of September at around the $0.497 mark, we saw this consolidation over here before we finally saw the breakout to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances in a move that has now given us a high above the $0.98 mark, completing the formation of this Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, whatever we expect next is a corrective structure in the formation of a second wave, and there are high chances that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the corrective movement in the formation of this wave 2. Minimum target areas can be given by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.7997 mark and the $0.6836 mark, the area that I have highlighted on the charts using this retarget area. And this is an area that we need to keep our eyes on, because I expect Matic to continue holding within this area as we continue seeing further pullback into the area, find support, get a low in place for the second wave and see a reversal to the upper side, breaking above significant areas of resistances and possibly get above the $1 mark, which is our next significant area of resistance as we continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. The worst case scenario can also play out in case we continue heading further down, and maybe at some point we lose this retarget area to the lower side and continue seeing lower prices to the next key area of support at around the $0.6227 mark. And if by any chance we lose support at around the $0.6227 mark, then the worst case scenario for Matic can play out where we can easily see a reset of the lows that we made at around the $0.5 mark. And jumping to the daily chart now to give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. On the daily chart, to give you my long-term Elliot wave analysis, I will be zooming out back to 2020, where you can see that Matic gave us these lows down here before we saw that impulsive move to the upper side, giving us an all-time high above the $2.9 mark, completing the formation of these Elliot wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that first wave, we started a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2 in a move that has now given us a pullback into the minimum target areas for the second wave, highlighted on the charts using this retarget area, which is an area that we have now fully maximized, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out and Matic is now ready for an impulsive move to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And this is the move that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. And the minimum target areas for the third wave can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618 and that is above the $5.1 mark, which is the minimum that you can expect Matic to do in the formation of that wave 3. Then expect a wave 4 and then a wave 5, taking us to new all-time highs. And that is what I'm keeping my eyes on the short term, and those are my pullback target areas. And I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.